this video I will show you how to use Google reverse image search. Open Google from here really quick and then tap on this icon, the image search. I will catch a photo from here, a picture, any picture you want, to anything. I will do it for my laptop, or you can choose already an image you have from camera roll from here. Tap on allow full access and you can choose any photo from here you have. For example, I will choose this one and he will search this image for me, and you can crop the photo on certain tool inside the image right here, as you see the full image. And after that he will search for me and he will show you the results, the visual matches for this product I want inside the picture, and he will show me the exact matches as well right here, and the products as well, and the visual matches, and about this image as well you can see, and search tools as well for advanced search. If you want on certain language you can choose, tap on the search tools. And we have the last thing, which is AI mode. Tap on it and from here he will show you the results, text and images and everything. It's like ChatGPT and you can ask him anything from here. And the last thing I will show you, tap on all, and from here tap on ask about this image right here, and from here you can ask him about this image, how to use this product inside the image, for example, and he will show you the results, and you will find any results you want literally. And this is how to use reverse image search on Google. This is very simple tutorial. Please leave a like on the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.